Hello, today I will give you information about Bluegreen Rewards Mastercard. The Bluegreen Rewards Mastercard is a card type that allows you to earn points as you shop. Moreover, it has no annual fee. You earn 1 point every dollar you spend. You can use these points freely on your travels at partner business or other purchase. If you are going to have the Bluegreen Rewards Mastercard for the first time, you will earn 1000 points for your first purchase. There is no APR is applied to time-sharing purchases for the first 6 months. In addition, if you use the card for all your Bluegreen expenses, you will earn 2 points per dollar to be applied to maintenance fees, change fees, club membership, and more. You may not be able to use this card on your international travels. However, the rewards you earn on your purchases increase the more you use the card. Moreover, you have time sharing with Bluegreen Vacations.